Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust the brightness level while you're taking a picture in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is one of the new features from the 5th March update in Heartopia. I'm going to open up the camera menu, and then here you can click on this plus icon to switch to the brightness menu. Okay, and you will be able to adjust the brightness guys while you're taking picture in Heartopia. And I'm going to reduce the brightness level so it can be darker and you can take picture like this. Okay, you can adjust the brightness by moving this toggle up and down. Okay guys, and that's how you can adjust the brightness level while taking a picture in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.